Hi, I'm Russ. I work at the Brewing Futures food truck. My favorite part of working on the food truck is making the drinks, help Steiny and Kimbo, meeting new people. Teamwork and leadership. Like some of my friends, if they are new to making the new drinks, I'll show them first, and then they'll watch me make it, and they're like, okay, that's how you make it. So it's like we all ask each other for help if we need it, teach each other. The food truck has less space, but the food truck, we go to different events. For the cafe, we only serve people from the school, so it's giving us the option to go out. Talk about what the food truck is, how it helps kids with special needs. The food truck helped me to get out of my shell and talk to people. Yes, more than I first did, because when I was younger, I've been messing up drinks and stuff, and now I got in the back of my hand. All those fast food places, because when I first went there, I'm never gonna be able to talk to people because of how nervous I am, but look now I can. You have to take it, because if you want to try something new, go for it. If you don't, that's your loss. You have to try something new.